Today in this video we'll be going from this to this. How to repair your bumper using nothing other than spray foam. So here we have a lovely big hole in the rear of our car due to a truck not being able to turn around in the right area. So first you need to clean down the surface you're gonna prepare it for the repair. You need some bags. These bags you'll stuff inside the cavity to make sure the spray foam you're about to use in a moment won't go all over the place and get inside the parts of the car you don't want it to go. Next you want to really get as much bags in there as you can, filling every last bit. Anywhere you miss, go over it again and again until it's completely filled in, and then just give it a double check all over the surface, and then you're nearly ready to start preparation for taping it up. So use any black tape for this. Here we have some masking tape of some sort. Use two hands and glue the tight to the surface as best you can, and make sure the plastic is all pulled tight to where it ought to be, because it might be a bit flappy from where the crack is in the bumper itself. Now you want to do this all over, completely covering it as tight to the body as I say. Go around the shape. If you can feel the shape, go around it there, and you want to do this until you've got a small hole, just one remaining hole, where you will be inserting the nozzle of the spray canister in just a moment. So all over the place like this, as you can see, nice and tidy job, make you very happy. All over the surface, see that? Put your finger inside like this, stretch it round like that, you see that? Just like that. Now a small hole, bit smaller than my finger there. Next, you'll need some expanding foam of whatever brand you want. Shake him up, shake. Gloves, and then you're ready to start filling. So fill it as much as you can, all over the place. You'll feel it, the nozzle itself will start having a resistance as it's spraying out. You see that? All over the place like that. Spray it all nice and round. Then to stop it coming out too much, you want to put tape over the hole to stop it going out everywhere. It will be very messy. You'll have lots and lots of cleaning up to do if you're not careful. But this is looking lovely. And just make sure it's all nice and tight. You don't want this stuff on your hands, as it will be very sticky. Go around, just check it over. You can feel the tension behind the actual tape, and just go over it as much as you can to make sure that it's nice and taut. So that's the first part of the job over and done with. Very easy, you could do this yourself. Okay, so a little while later, an hour, half hour or so, you'll need a sharp knife, and you cut this bit off here, and you'll need to make sure any overspray's been cut away, and you do that with a sharp long blade like I'm using here. This is an old kitchen knife, and you'll need now to pull back all the tape you used to hold it on when you were spraying inside. And what you're looking for here is to try and get it as level to the surface, you see, as oh dear, big hole there. That's not right, but we can fix that. No worries. Keep pulling away, see what other jobs we need to do. There may be some other holes, but yes, I see a few holes we will need to repair here and there. But I'm not worried, we're going to fix all that, no problem at all. First, pour some water in there, because the water will actually reactivate it, as you see, to start expanding. Any liquid foam in there will start expanding again. So splash some water in there, just like that, all over the place like that. Now don't worry, it don't look perfect yet, it's going to look real nice in a minute. Now get the expanding foam out again, and just put some more in here, like that, fill them up. any holes now. We want to just fill any holes we missed, or any holes where it didn't expand. You see it's already expanded there, you can see that. And it's going to look absolutely brilliant when this is done. See that? Lovely. And now, look at that, that's what we got. Next you'll need your sharp knife again, and you will be cutting it away flat with the surface of the vehicle. Don't be too carried away to gouge holes in it now. We don't want holes in it at all. And you see, cutting it away there, lovely and flat. All over, keep filing away. You want to do the best job you can do. Proper job. Now, as you can see, we went from this in the beginning, ugly old hole hit by a truck, to this. Now I think you'll agree that looks great. Thanks for watching.